good morning everyone. I hope you all enjoyed your holidays. I am currently in East County, San Diego, going up through the mountains, heading west towards Yuma, Arizona. I took about 5 days off from the caravan, and I'm going to reconvene with them out near the Yuma, Arizona camp, so I'm just a few hours out. I'm going to take my time and enjoy this beautiful ride. It was a very nice visit into San Diego, but I am looking forward to getting back to boondocking and continuing this adventure. Away we go. All right, let's do this. Looks like we're about 120 miles out from our camp. I might stop and get some lunch on the way. There is a In-N-Out burger about halfway there. It will be just about lunchtime, so that may be in the works here. But for now, let's get rolling. Oh yeah, there it is. All right, well, we'll give you a shot of my camp here. I've been here for a little bit. I went for a bike ride to go say hi to everyone, and the time just got away from me. The sun is setting there. Just a beautiful spot here, right up against these mountains. Loving it. This is my camp here. Nice little spot. Got my own little fire ring. I'm kind of on the outskirts of the group here. I like to have just a little bit of space, and I can just ride my bike into the group. Very nice. Well, we are waking up to a beautiful morning this morning here at our camp off of Ogilby Road on American Girl Mine Road. The mine is up against the hills here, so I'm going to go try to explore that today. There's quite a few mines actually in the area. Got a little bit of a cool down here. It's been in the 70s for a high and the low 40s for a low at night, and we're dropping down to the low 60s, mid 60s for a high and the high 30s for a low, but still not bad for the last day of the year in December here. Very beautiful. Caravan group is going good. We've got, geez, I think I counted up about 30 people here yesterday, maybe a little bit more, but going good so far. So we're going to see what kind of exploring we can do today. I want to go check out these mines and see what that's all about. It has been a long time since I've camped here, so I'm looking forward to getting out and exploring. We'll check in a little bit. This old structure here, this is all mud, like adobe. All right, we found this interesting little shelter here. Look at this. It's like an old fireplace. Kind of neat. Got a nice view. Left some squash. Another cave up here. Let's see if we can go in. Whoa, that's kind of spooky. It's warm in there. Oh, wow. All right.
No way.
It's like a room in here.
Look at that.
Keeps going.
That's huge.
That's a good, what, 30, 40 feet in?
Yeah.
Stand up completely. The view, sun's about to set. Beautiful.
Probably gonna end up with haunted virus.
I know, right? All right, about 20 minutes later, these beans turned out great. Look at that. They're nice and tender. That ground beef and bacon in there. Bell pepper, onion, garlic, all the seasonings. So good. Yep. Happy New Year, guys! Well, today we have a kayaking adventure planned. We're going to kayak a portion of the Colorado River. So to be able to do that, we've got a little shuttle system. I'm up here hanging out with the kayaks while we go retrieve the rest of the group, where we're going to leave a vehicle down at the bottom. That's kind of how we have to do it to be able to paddle down river. So it should be a good time. We are getting a little bit of a late start, so it's very possible the sun is going to set as we're getting to our destination, but we should have plenty of daylight. We're going downstream, so should work out good. Looking forward to it. It's a beautiful day. We had a stretch of about 4 or 5 windy days, and it finally died down. No, it's cute. I like it.
That's what we're going for.
Yeah, the cute factor.
Are you clearing us a path?
Wait till I smile.
All right, well, we made it out onto the water. It's all downstream from here. Beautiful out today, huh? So we got 5 total. Oh, we're having a very nice float down the river here. Beautiful. Losing our daylight. What do you think, guys? We're gonna make it back before dark?
Yeah.
Of course.
Only 5 more minutes.
Of course. It's just up around the bend. I think we're gonna be pulling our kayaks out in the dark. Well, we made it. We finished in the dark here. It's a little chilly, so we're gonna get loaded up here and get warmed up. I am shivering. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to give a big thank you to everyone that was a part of this caravan group. It has been 2.5 months for me as a host for this caravan, and it's just been a blast. I've met so many great people. I just appreciate you all for being a part of it. I look forward to crossing paths with you guys in the future. I am going to be breaking this camp and caravan very soon to go over to Quartzsite, Arizona to secure a camp for the RTR gathering, and then I'll be kind of bouncing around the area and doing some updates from there. So we'll see you guys very soon. I hope you're all doing very well out there. Take care. Peace.